at, okay, seems everything is fine, so we can continue. Okay, so we are going to look at lists. So lists are linear collection of items. So if a beginner in the field of programming, Python programming to be specific, then take list as a form of, or a container which can be used to store items. That is what basically lists are. So since we are doing bioinformatics, then the lists that we are talking about here, we can use to store information such as DNA sequences, protein sequences, nucleotides, codons, etc. So just take that, just look at it that way. So lists are created by putting items inside a square bracket. We are going to take a look at that. This is an example here. And individual items are separated by commas. So lists can contain different data types as well as lists as well. So we can also access items in a list using indexing. We'll go through all of these things. A list is mutable, meaning that the contents can be changed. New items are added to the table, and the iteration can be performed. If all items in a list are strings, then the entire list can be converted to a single string object. So let's get started. Let's continue.